Kuri mwega mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV ni ngebacio mwanya ni kunyitana ive hwaini wa umuthi ngakwihoya dakika ciaku 30 goge kumenyithia bũrũri wa Kenya watinda ukigarira muthenya wa umuthi tariki 28 mweri wa gatano mwaka wa 2026 ari muthenya uria uma muthi wa mahoya kuri bũrũri njĩtagwo Maureen Wanjiru nake mwabĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko twina Maureen Wambui tukao tukirika na ripoti kuma kure mwena wa Girigiri. Minister wa Githomo Julius Ogamba neketie mukode gukua kwa arutwo matanyiheire 20 kuma thukuini wa airetu wa Utumishi Girls Academy na uria uri mwena wa Girigiri county ya Nakuru na arutwo makiria ma arutwo 79 na ria marekeje kugena ngaro na ria mabite na habe na kurigitirwo thiftari mwena ucio rukurerekana ate mwaki uyo uratubukire mathaine ma thaa thita cia utuku akirekereria ndumiri eno Ogamba augite makiria ma arutwo 79 nio mari mabiftari-ini one biba kugurura kokwa makigena nguraro njuru mutini-ini ucio kuri uwo mutongoria wa bũrũri muthenya wa umuthi igongona ria mahoya ma bũrũri mwena wa Safari Park ni akirirwo akiruta ndumiri cia macakaya kuri family aria moritwo ni ciana ciao kwetukira mutino ucio wa mwaki. Njoki wa Maina ni mwandiki witu na reke akora gituhingira mohoro maya na ripoti ino yake.
Thutha wa mwaki gututhuka nyumba-ini cia toro cia thukuru wa airetu wa Utumishi uria uri Gilgil county ya Nakuru, riu maabitha a borithi ni maugite ati namba ya arutwo aria matete mioyo yao ni ikinyite 16 nao aria maguraritio ikinyaniria 79. Ndeto iria ikiritwo mukode ni Minister wa Githomo bũrũri-ini Julius Ogamba.
With the sad news of a fire incident at this school, Utumishi Senior School, where at about 12:45 a.m. a fire broke out in one of the dorms on the second floor of that particular dorm, and the dorm is completely destroyed, together with a lot of injuries to our learners. And unfortunately, we lost some of our learners in that incident. I'm going to give you those figures. Ladies and gentlemen, this particular school has a total girls population of 815 girls. At the time of the incident, the girls that were in school were 808. 7 of the girls were at home for various reasons. Out of the 808 girls, 79 were injured and taken to the hospital. They were treated, and 71 of them were discharged. We have 7 currently admitted, and 1 has been picked by the parent from the hospital. Out of that number of 808, we have 16 fatalities. I take this opportunity to pass, on behalf of the minister and myself, our condolences to the families and continue wishing those who are injured quick recovery.
Magitongorio ni mutongoria wa bũrũri Dagitari William Ruto atongoria kuma kundu gutiganite guku bũrũri-ini ni macakaite arutwo aria moritwo ni mioyo yao makiuga bũrũri ni uracakaya na family cia aria othe mahutitio ni mutino ucio.
We will also do everything to ensure that if there is anyone who was involved in causing this fire, that justice will be done so that your colleagues that justice is done so that your colleagues who lost their lives and those who got injured may not be in vain. Even though we may never change the situation, we must be able to ensure that such a situation again should not happen on the part of those who caused culpability. Kwa hivyo nataka niwaambie ni poleni sana na Mungu awabariki.
Githie na mbere na gukumathira maria marathi na mbere na gukunoka guku bũrũri-ini njĩtagwo Njoki wa Maina.
nĩ ngatho Njoki wa Maina nĩ gũtũĩbĩranĩria icio tũgĩthiĩ na mbere. Mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto akĩarĩ hĩndĩ igongona rĩa mahoya rĩa gĩbũrũri National Prayer Breakfast na marĩa matabanĩirio mũkawa-inĩ wa Safari Park gũkũ Nairobi. Augĩte bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ wĩtĩkĩtie hinya wa mahoya, noguo nĩ harĩ bata kũhoera bũrũri, akĩũria a Kenya kwenda bũrũri wao. Hĩndĩ-inĩ o rĩu nĩ athĩte na mbere na gũkorwo akiuga atĩ thirikari ya kana gũtetera thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza, akiuga nĩ ĩrutĩire gũtigĩrĩra atĩ a Kenya nĩ mahũthĩrio nĩ thogora wa igũrũ wa mũtũrĩre.
I have every intention to make sure that I keep every commitment I made. Why? Because I believe in God and I believe in this great nation called Kenya. Yes. And today I can stand before the people of Kenya and say we have made huge progress. We have made huge progress. Not just in agriculture, in our health. I was with the Minister for Health and his team day before yesterday to look at how far we've come. I'll be having a meeting with the Ministry of Agriculture after this prayer breakfast, the Ministry of Health after this prayer breakfast, because we have made strides. We have made strides in our education. Progress we thank God for. Teachers have been hired. Curriculum has been changed. Funding model has been changed. Our universities that were struggling are in a better place. We have made progress. All the low-income earners, the people who earn up to 24,000, they've been paying pay-as-you-earn at 10%. We're saying they will not pay anymore. We are saying, in fact, that category should be moved to anybody who is earning 30,000 and less. They will not pay any taxes. Because we're beginning to think, plan, innovate differently so that we lighten the burden and use much more innovative ways of driving our development. And even the crisis on fuel, we not only have a short-term plan, but we have a long-term one as well. We have found the mechanism how to get our fuel in Turkana and those in the rest of the region to be refined here in our region. When I sent my team about 6 months ago to look around, they came across Aliko Dangote and what he's doing. They came back to me, and I reached out to President Museveni, and I have reached out to colleagues in this region, and we have agreed. And this year, we are going to start building the refinery here.
Tugatigana na icio ciĩgiĩ thirikari, tucokere harĩ arutwo atano a thukuru wa thekondarĩ wa Maranda High nĩ marĩkĩte kũrekererio na bodi ya mbeca baribari ciringi 30,000 o mũrutwo. Mũcirithania wa igoti rĩa Mbondo Douglas Oguti akinyanĩrie matua macio thutha wa arutwo acio gatagatĩ-inĩ ka arutwo 12 kuonekana marĩ na mahĩtia ma gũcina nyũmba ya toro ya thukuru ũcio na ĩrĩa ĩrarĩ ya mũigana wa ciringi milioni 2.8 na mũtino ũcio wahanĩkire kũrĩ tarĩki 24 mweri wa gatano. Cira ũcio ũgathikĩrĩrio rĩngĩ kũrĩ tarĩki kana kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 4 kwambĩrĩria tarĩki 22 mweri wa gatandatũ.
Expected that the prosecution do disclose the results of the CCTV footage and government analysts report at the next mention. Number 3, the matter will be allocated 4 days. The court administrator to organize for a screen to be used at the hearing to display the CCTV footage. In case there is an application to be made by either party or by any parties involved, such an application to be made and determined before the hearing date. Sawa. The only application to be made, applications are those to be made during the trial process that are ordinarily made, like now challenging the evidence or documents to be used. Of course, I may add that in the trial process, in the pre-trial, in exchange the documents well, during the pre-trial, during the exchange of documents, will indicate to the court the evidence that you'll be objecting to. The accused shall each be released on a cash bail of 30,000 or a bond of 100,000 plus one surety of similar amount.
Nĩ ngatho na tũgĩtigana na riboti ya arutwo kuma mwena ũcio wa Maranda High tũkamba gũtithia o hanini nĩ tũkorwo tũgĩcokeria na mohoro mangĩ ndũgathiĩ haraya.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Kuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici citoro Esambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya maria marahanika guku bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya.
Just only a few days ago, bururi wothe turaragia horo wa Nairobi. 2-3 days after, there is no guturaria thaisi.
Mwana ucio kana mundu ucio ndarakorora ni turi maneuvers cia kuguteithiriria ki mundu ucio aya atari aratuika unresponsive.
Gutiri ugu wekira mwana ndwara wa mukani muigananire tondu ndimutirathi sarumu riri we muciari ndwekira ndwara cikinyete kou koguo no indo ndurikatia nduguthabio nawe
athiite gwaka hau tondu hatiri handu ona hamwe angihota gwika atia gwaka gutiri kwao mundu ucio agio no gwikarirwo thi ni aria me thirikari magacira matongoretio ni abunge senators aria macira makauga atiri kwina ndo itomena the titondu we nuinuka nyumba-ini ya ihiga gutina thina andu acio ritwithio horo wao.
Nyitanagira na Francis Wairura na Wanjiko wa Mwangi tabarira ya gugithereruka o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano thinashara na nuthu kinyagia thaa 3 cia rucini mitambo-ini ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia.
Hihi we murutwo urikitie form 4 kana muciari urethera mwana wake ndugatangike ringi kuona thukuru wa Jewel Technical College riu ni uragwitira intake guko arutani aitu ni makinyani ikiro iria ciagirire na turutaga arutwo aitu na mashini cia kiriu na makaheo umenyo uria wagirire yana na kothi ciao. Kothi citu ni ta urugi niguo hospitality, uthaka ariguo cosmetology, memerekia ari journalism and film production, engineering and construction, health sciences, barista training, ICT and artificial intelligence, thiomisha naja ta German. Marehi maitu ni mafashirire uwega gukinyiria gikiro giothe kia murutwo. Tusherere umuthi Roysambu Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kana no tuhurire thimu kugerera kifugo mugwanja kifugo imwe ithatu kifugo mugwanja imwe hiyo 0701 300 071 weheke mieke etana thira. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Irikana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku. Wanake wakuduka yo tondu cia wona nyingi ejendaga kaga ya moyo tu wakuduka yo tondu cia wona nyingi ejendaga kaga ya
Ino ni sheni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nigabo mwiroreri na nitwacokeria ikirekeria kiariria muhoro Kabiru Thaa Imwe tuvi kaunti ya Siaya. Thirikari rungu wa kigena kia GAF nirugoretie mubango wa kunyagia tauro cia utheru 800,000 kuri thukuru cia muthingi na cia junior secondary na iria iri kaunti ya Siaya. Murugamiri wa mubango wa GAF kaunti ya Siaya Nancy Academy augete makiria ma arutwo 85,000 niyo meko makigurika na tauro icio. Mubunge mutumia kaunti iyo Dr. Christine Obaka augete thirikari gukinyaniria uteithio ucio ni itemi nene ya gutigirira gutire mwana wa kairetu wa tera thukuru kana wa nyamario kimwiri ni wagi wa tauro cia utheru.
National Government Affirmative Action Fund, Siaya County, through the Office of the Women Rep, Siaya County, has donated or contributed 815,614 pieces of sanitary pads. Those are like the bells are 48 in one pack, and all of them are going to all the students in public primary and public junior secondary schools in Siaya County. So all of them, we are having in total 85,613 girls in Siaya County that will be receiving these sanitary pads through the Office of the Women Rep, Dr. Christine Obaka.
I want to thank you for having time to be here to celebrate the life of girl child. Celebration of the life of the girl child means you support the girl child to go to school and complete her school successfully. Going to school is one thing. Completing school is another thing. I hope you understand what I mean. You girls, you go to school, you reach Form 1, and you drop out. Then you get married. Then you start a family. Then your marriage breaks. Then you come back home. So many girls who drop out of school and get married. Many of them don't even have successful marriages. I don't know why. It often breaks up. There's always huge statistics showing that they don't last long. Then they come back home, then they don't know what to do, and they have 2 children, 3 children. Now they are afraid to go back to school. The circle repeats itself so many times. We want to stop that. We want to make sure that every child has a right to access school, be in school, and complete that schooling, and graduate and improve your life. That is the way things happen. But if you break it halfway, life becomes difficult. One of the things that we believe, and it is an international belief all over the world, is to protect the girl child and encourage the girl child to go to school and complete it. And one of the strategies used is to give them sanitary pads. There's a trick there. Sanitary pads, once you give to the girl child, she'll develop confidence in herself. She'll be able to feel strong and ready to go to school.
Mwerekeri wakwa arajira riboti kumumena wa Siaya nio toko tugitiriha nayo muhoro ma ivarereria Thaa Imwe no muhoro magi toko tukurehera na shihada Thaa ithatu cia utuku ngabo cia mwanya ni mathaa maku maria watwihokera toko tugikumenyithia uria bũrũri wa Kenya uri gariura ngabo cia mwanya ona kurera ve mako magikinyaniria muhoro maya jetagwo Maureen Wanjiru na kamwabiriri na njira ya shiko ni Maureen Wabui twakwendithĩria wirorere mwega wa tafaira cia Kiheo TV.
Thank you.